Hi everyone, I'm Rod with Johnson RV, and I'm here with Dustin today. Dustin's behind the camera helping me out, and just thinking about this little Class C we just got in. This is a Minnie Winnie, from Winnebago, of course. It's a 2017 27Q. So we're looking at floor plans. What's kind of neat about this floor plan is it's got a smaller living area up front, but a nice large bedroom in this one. So it's a little different than what you see most of the time. But it still can be a very good family coach. So it's good for 1, 2, maybe up to 4, maybe 6 people. So it's very versatile that way. Now being 2017, it's on an E450 chassis for comparison. Now this is the heavy duty Ford chassis. It's got the Triton V10 motor in it. It's got about 33,000 miles on it, I think I might mention. But these are nice if you're going to be towing all the time, towing a boat, maybe 3 or 4 or 5,000 pound boat or a car. This is good, sturdy chassis for that purpose. Come on around. Again, it's a Class C, so we've got an overhead bunk at top. Got nice storage all the way around. I'm not going to spend a lot of time out time. It's got a lot of the basics. You've got all your connections and things on the other side. This has a nice, almost full-length awning, so I like being able to establish a patio when I get where I'm going. I just do that. I put my chairs out, put my awning out if it's not a windy day, and it just kind of identifies my territory. But anyway, Class C, Winnebago. Now we'll step inside, we'll check out the interior. Come on in, Dustin. So, now as you come in, you'll see the bunk overhead up front. That converts. Now I've got a ladder, it's a ladder to it. This piece comes down and fills this area in, so it makes a nice double bed up here. We've got it set back a ways because when you're driving, I think it's kind of nice to have that open over your head. But that, of course, that's up to you. As you come around, you'll see that it has a nice large dinette booth. And in that dinette booth, you've got seat belting for at least 3 people. So you can travel with 5. I believe this might have 2 over here. Yes, okay, so this will seat belt in 4 here and 2 up front, so 6 people in this coach. Notice the counter space in this. Just in the last 5-10 years have we seen the counter spaces come in like this in these Class C's. They're figuring it out. We need a little more space to cook and prepare things. And when you come back here, you'll see a nice sized bathroom. It's got the rain glass doors. It's not a curtain. Porcelain toilet. Got your sink and nice medicine chest up above. But and then as you work your way back, going back, I'm going to follow you. You'll see your refrigerator on the left. You've got some pantry space here, and then you get back to the bedroom area, and you've got a nice size, queen size bed. You've got places to put things on both sides. A little smaller cabinet on the right, but then a larger cabinet on the left. Just a really nice little Class C, not too little. It's probably about 28 feet long. It's a 27Q, so keep that in mind. But we can get you some details on those things and capacities and all that. Give us a call. It's Dustin or Rod at Johnson RV, and we're at 503-668-5400. We'd love to tell you more about this neat little Minnie Winnie from Winnebago.